You see how no over there go on over Kai? Nobody boy you no go on over Kai like that. You hear me I tell you no?
Go make a tweet and everybody, right? And everybody under it and shit was agreeing, was saying that what I was doing in Jamaica was not culture.
Yeah. Go on, mute ya, go on. Ease yourself, just keep it calm, mute ya, star. Only put pressure and I'm gone. One time it hard to carry on. You no need no girl for turn to, no man for talk to. Feelings hurt on the journey so far.
Wagwan Success family, hope everyone doing alright. If you're new to the channel, welcome and make sure to subscribe to get all our latest videos. Like this video so we can continue to drop more contents like this one. Pretti Don faces backlash on Instagram over her comments about Cenat's visit to Jamaica and his reception by Jamaicans. I fundamentally, totally disagree with everything Pretti Don had to say and has to say. Her criticism is lacking understanding of Cenat's widespread influence. Pretti Don incorrectly suggests that only in Jamaica Cenat can receive such a warm welcome, not knowing Cenat is international and his ability to draw the crowd. Cenat shuts down New York, Nigeria and other countries he visits. Last year and this year, which Jamaican influencer could replicate what Cenat did, shutting down countries as an influencer? I'm waiting. The man has a global recognition as an influencer herself. Pretti Don criticism seems misplaced because, especially given her own goals on the live that she did, she spoke about TJ, bigging up TJ, and she also said that TJ need to connect her with a Caribbean island president so she can visit that country and see her fans. Right now, you are tell me say Cenat visit Jamaica and his fan base eager to see him and welcome him and give him such a warm welcome, and you have problem with it. Pretti Don comments came across as Badmind, just pure Badmind and just unfair criticism rather than constructive criticism, because there's no constructive criticism. It makes no sense. Nothing that she was saying makes any sense. Why would Pretti Don wants to dismiss the positive reception Jamaicans gave Cenat as a fellow influencer yourself? Why would you want that? What if you go to the same islands that you want to go to and people don't receive you well there? People act like you are a nobody, and you actually think where you are right now in America, people actually love you over there, and you go over there and no one show you the love that they so to speak have had for you. Check out what she had to say.
We could start with Kai and Swiss leader. Jamaica. One thing me have to tell you now. You see how no over there go on over Kai? Nobody boy you no go on over Kai like that. You hear me I tell you now? You see who no down at Jamaica feel like I say no see one nowadays Michael Jackson come down the tune, bro. That is not the case. This little man play a video game and then getting local gift them and getting streaming rare off of YouTube like everybody else me generally. You understand me I deal with? The way how the whole out down there behave like a bumbleclad Michael Jackson this. Every scroll from my bumbleclad timeline. You know how much people at Jamaica don't know who the fuck that be? But because you know down there run up and down and a swell a man cocky now on the mouth, so wanna make Jamaica feel like I said them man you own one baseball team in America. Or you own one NBA team or this man you spectacular. You know how much people in America pass Skype on the blood clot street? People in America don't behave like that over Kai Jamaica. Una alone a give Kai that the blood clot feeling the way bumbo clot have right you know. Uno too frightened over every blood clot body. And then from Russia and him start to come up there and I bring two little people from foreign. Uno swear things that them kind of people are some kind of billionaire. Them are some kind of bumbo clot engineer. Uno be happy. Jamaica una alone. Me see run back. Jesus Christ, you don't think of the nowadays Selassie. What you mean not true? Move your bum bucklet and go from here, so. Me never see nobody run up and down so back a blood clot Kai in America unless the fuck of them stand up in one place and give us some things. Who don't give me a blood clot rebuttal, bro. Who don't bother with that, bro. So you see this man you go in a basketball game and sit down courtside. Bitch, I can buy courtside seat and go sit down there with the celebrity them too father. You see me? Chun, look at my people. people go live on Bumbleclad Instagram and so with all Nicki Minaj. All me, the power live with Bumbleclad Nicki Minaj. Oh no, two blood clot frightened, bro. And then I don't run me down, dada. No, run me down, youth. Oh no, two Bumbleclad fighting, all blood clot Swisley with their blood clot foreign for must 18 or 19 months. Probably about one good 20 months. I know this every day you not even reach a blood clot foreign for 2 years. Me and the whole of spread out blood clot.
Personally, Pretti Don speak a lot of truth sometimes, and I agree with many things that she said sometimes. But this one, oh my goodness, this one I just cannot agree with. And I'm not speaking from a standpoint of being a Kai fan. I'm not really a Kai Cenat fan. I've never watched any of his streams. When he streams, I just view a few clips that we are now reviewing and stuff like that. You get me? So I'm not really a big fan of Kai or anything like that. But when you see good things, you just talk about good things. And when you see people, somebody who learn the language, learn to speak Jamaican and come to Jamaica and speak patois and meet and greet people and friend with everybody, big dirty stinking millionaire like I Cenat, right? So so when you really see another Jamaican come and bash the man for this, come on man, we have to come contact it through man and say Pretti Don, you have to go down today. Pretti Don have to go down today. So if you could not view the comments, let me read a few of the comments for you. One person said, kiss me teeth, Kai literally shut down a street in New York after announcing a meet and greet. Another person said, Kai Cenat got motion for real, chill, dog, cause a whole riot in New York, don't play the youth success, right? Which is right. Why does everything bother it? Me kiss me teeth, calling Pretti Don it. Another person said, Badmind real. Another person said, all this never necessary. Man just come to Jamaica to have fun and carnival, bro. Why the hate? Which I 100% agree with that. Another person said, why we wait? Didn't Kai shut down New York and got locked up for it? Correct me if I'm wrong. Another person said, think me get her point, but the delivery is wrong. Another person said, all I'm going to say is Kai got motion everywhere he goes, but El Janae water show video out now. Like, them I promote them video or something. Another person said, Jamaicans make everybody famous. Prime example, why she have a platform? Exactly. Why do you have a platform? Jamaica make everybody famous, and someone who is multi-millionaire famous come to Jamaica and you expect the man nothing rare? Just easy, man. Another person said, Badmind YF, you know what that mean? We just love him because his vibe, he's funny as whatever, and know the vibe. She just bring Badmind, dog. Another person said, one thing Mr. and Mrs. Don, something Afia say, miserable like some good like some good would a fix, like some hood would a fix our light. I smell a stench, but it's Badmind and it not smell good. Jano, why she not go play a game and make money too and stop watching, man? Another person said, Badmind, I go kill her no. I live in the USA. Every soul knows Kai. They act the same over here like they're treating him in Jamaica. It's no different. I live in New York. I know for a fact that man is very known and acknowledged by many. I say the same thing. Kai Cenat is popular. He's the top streamer in the world. He's the top streamer on Twitch and YouTube and them places in the world. Right? So how are you going to say that? And your platform is solely on YouTube, doing YouTube live, and Kai Cenat is way bigger than you, and Jamaica know you. And we're talking about the social media space, influencer space. He's there. He's up there. Right? So when Pretti Don come out and say all these things, it makes no sense whatsoever.